Azure ExpressRoute gives you a private, dedicated connection between your on-premises network and the Microsoft cloud, skipping the public internet for better speed, security, and reliability. Instead of relying on traditional internet-based VPNs, you connect through a connectivity provider using an any-to-any IP VPN, point-to-point Ethernet, or a cross connection at a co-location facility. When using Azure ExpressRoute, you have two main peering options. First option is Microsoft peering and second option is private peering. Each option serves a different purpose depending on how you want to connect to Microsoft services. With Microsoft peering, you get direct connectivity to Microsoft SaaS services like Microsoft 365, Dynamic 365, and Azure public services such as Azure SQL and Azure Storage accounts. Instead of using the internet, your traffic flows privately through ExpressRoute and ensures lower latency, better reliability, and more security using Microsoft peering. Private peering lets you extend your on-premises network into Azure, just like a regular WAN extension. This means you can connect directly to your Azure virtual networks through ExpressRoute, which will make it feel like an extension of your data center. All traffic flows privately over Microsoft backbone, keeping it secure and isolated from the public internet. When it comes to the ExpressRoute peering, which one should you choose? If you need direct access to Microsoft SaaS services like Microsoft 365, you go with Microsoft peering. If you need a private extension of your network into Azure, you choose private peering. Both options help you avoid the public internet and ensure better security, reliability, and performance. Azure ExpressRoute does not provide encryption by default, as it establishes private connections between on-premises networks and Microsoft Cloud services bypassing the public internet. While this ensures enhanced security, reliability, and lower latency, it does not automatically encrypt the data in transit. To secure data over ExpressRoute, you can implement MACsec Layer 2 encryption or IPsec Layer 3 encryption. MACsec encrypts traffic between on-premises network devices and the ExpressRoute provider's edge. To implement MACsec, you must ensure their ExpressRoute provider supports it and deploy network devices capable of handling MACsec encryption. Then they need to configure MACsec policies and encryption keys on both ends and test the connection before deployment. Alternatively, you can use IPsec encryption to secure traffic between an on-premise VPN gateway and Azure VPN gateway over ExpressRoute. This involves deploying Azure Virtual WAN or Azure VPN gateway, setting up an IPsec IKE tunnel, defining encryption standards like AES 256 and SHA 256, and configuring traffic routing to ensure only encrypted data flows through ExpressRoute. When choosing between the two, MACsec is preferred when the provider supports it due to its lower overhead and better performance, while IPsec is the fallback option for organizations needing end-to-end encryption.